Are you tired of manually re-entering vendor bill details from your purchase orders? Learn to create bills directly from your POs in Odoo in under a minute. We'll start at the Odoo homepage, navigate to your purchase orders, select the one you need, and generate its bill. All right, first you'll want to navigate to the homepage of your Odoo. Then, go ahead and open the Purchase app from the dashboard. In the top bar, click on Orders. From there, choose Purchase Orders to see the list. Now, scroll through the list and click the checkbox for the purchase order you want to bill. Once you've selected it, hit Create Bills at the top. Next, enter the bill date in the field provided. Finally, click Confirm at the top left corner, and you're all done. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.